In this video, I'm going to take you through a basic search using the library webpage, taking you from point A, the start of the library's main page, to a structured search, including how to navigate peer-reviewed articles, seeing how many results you get, and filtering based on books or articles or journals. To get to the main search page from the library page, you would just click on search, and it's going to take you to this blue page. This is the page that you're going to use whenever you're doing a library search. If you want to do a basic search just to see everything that's available, you could do a new search right at the top and use the search bar. For this example, I'm going to use Frankenstein. So if you do a search without any filters, these are the results you're going to get. You see that a search for Frankenstein gets me 7,970 results. No matter what you put in, the results are always going to come at the very top of the page. Now, for many classes, you're going to be asked to find peer-reviewed articles. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can narrow it down to get peer-reviewed articles. The easiest way would be to use these quick links at the top. If you're doing a search, you can search with any of these buttons to pull back books, articles, journals, or even videos. But in most cases, you're going to be looking for articles. So you can put your search in for Frankenstein, click articles, and now you're going to see that the results have changed. Now we only have 2,402 results. And at the top of each of these, you're going to see that it says article, letting you know what the item is. Now that you've searched for articles, go onto the left-hand side. You're always going to see this near the top, peer-reviewed journals. Anytime you use a filter to narrow down your search, it's going to appear at the top under active filters. So right now we are searching for articles and peer-reviewed journals. And now finally our results come back at 1,503. When you want to find an article, you can click onto the blue link and it's going to pop open with a new page. This is the article's main page where you can get all the information about it. At the top, you're going to see the title, you're going to see the author, and here is the name of the journal. The journal is Pedagogy, and it was published in 2003 to 2023, and it's volume 23, issue 2. And then you have the page range. Scroll down a little further, and you're going to get all of these send to features. So this is really helpful because this one right here will formulate a citation for you in whatever style you're going to be asked to use. For a paper on Frankenstein, you would likely be using MLA. So it formulates the citation for you. These buttons also allow you to email the article to yourself or to somebody else. Just keep in mind that you would need your library account or SCMU account in order to access it. Or you can print it or give yourself a permalink. Scrolling down a little further, you'll see this section called View Online. This is where you're going to go to get access to the actual PDF of the article. Sometimes you will see one link here. For instance, this one has Project Muse as their database. Sometimes you might see 2 or 3 or possibly even more. Each of those links that show up here should get you access to the same article. Click into it, and it's going to reroute you to the Project Muse page. Each of the databases will look slightly different, but in all of them, you should be able to see the download or PDF button right near the top, and that's where you're going to get the full article. If you want further details about this particular item, you can go to the bottom, and you often will get a description or a further abstract about what it's about. If you want additional filters, you'll find them on the left-hand side. For now, I'm going to switch this back to all and get rid of the peer-reviewed articles. So now we're looking at everything again. If you would like to find a book, you could use the books at the top and see how many come up. So now we have 672 books relating to Frankenstein. You'll see there's also further filters under resource type, and you can always use that instead. When you're searching for Frankenstein, just like articles, you can come down under resource type and filter it. You'll see books is here, articles is here, or book chapters, and you can click it off on that side. Both methods will get you the same results. Doing it this way, you'll get access to books that are online access, so ebooks, or you're going to get access to books that are physically on the shelf. In many cases, you might want a book that's only on the shelf, a physical copy. And if you want it that way, then all you need to do is come over here under availability and do held by library. You'll notice now that all of the results, instead of saying online access, say available at St. Mary's University Library main stacks. Following that is a long number, and this is your call number, the exact place where you will find it on the shelf. For instance, if you want to check out this book, In Frankenstein's Wake, you'll see that it is available on the shelf. Write down the call number to go and find it, or what you can do is scroll down and click on Request. As long as you're signed in, you can request any items and have the main library desk pick them up for you and send you an email when they're ready. Those are the basic searches and the most common ones you'll be asked for whatever class you're in. Peer-reviewed journals, articles, or physical or online books. Hopefully this helped. Thanks for watching.